this is my current workspace. There's the overview here, 2 options, advanced color selection, layers down here, and all these other bars up. This is exactly how I want my workspace. So let me just show you how to create your own, because apparently I can't actually export it, seeing as it's an Android Krita, so I can't even find the file. So let me just choose a default workspace for this one now. Where's the default? So now this is the default workspace, but I obviously didn't like it. So what I just did, I started by moving this one. I moved this one somewhere up. Oh, it's not moving. Anyways, for this one, I closed most of them first, so that I would create it by myself. But something like this layers now, you can just drag it. Oh, chim. Sorry. Something like this one now, I just drag it and just put it here. Then inside settings, Dockers, the advanced color selector. So for the advanced color selector now, I just dragged it to this side. So I want to remove this. So I removed this and moved it up here. Then I just adjusted here like this to the way I want. Exactly, this is just how it is. Then for this brush presets, I don't need it, because if I click this, it's still the same thing. So I just close the brush preset. So this advanced color selector. So now for the overview and Docker overview and 2 options, so I entered here. Then overview should be a bit overview. Then same thing, I dragged overview here. Then 2 options, same thing, settings, Dockers, 2 options. So you can always add whatever you want to add though. Then I just move them, arrange it the way I felt was comfortable for me. What did I just do? So I just arrange it the way I felt is comfortable. Sometimes adjusting this thing is actually stressful. Then to prevent yourself from always changing it, I just click this lock button beside it, and that was basically it. And that's how to do it. Oh, and to save it, to save it, you could simply just click this button here, this choose workspace, and well, just insert the name you want, whatever name you want, and save it. Or you can also click on this Windows workspace, then new workspace, and save it with whatever name you want. I don't want to save it, so yeah. And yeah, that is actually all. So thank you.